Can we ever go a day without bad news in this country? We still dey cry for the one wey Dangote truck do fin her sister for Edo. Then came the Enugu incident, and then the Abuja incident, although say no be Dangote do that one. Now Dangote truck has struck again in Edo State, leaving another set of people dead. Most times, I am short of words. Can something ever be done about this reckless wasting of Nigerians? I'm going to pull up that particular video so you can see, and I'm also going to quickly pull up reactions from Nigerians about this Dangote truck incident. It's becoming one too many. How many more people have to die before something is done about this? Let's get your thoughts in the comment section.
Good evening, my brother. What happened for Via? Video they talk about this Dangote issue for Edo State. Nobody talk, nobody join. They say video and manipulator. Today, me not truck drivers as they come. My brother, waiting my eyes for Via. Now, it's my mother just video that this thing. Small way and forward can't give you so. My brother, Dangote your fabric. He crossed this smoker. You see that motor? That one he say he don't fabric. He say he fabric. Now lie. They will just decide him. Me not truck driver. They will just nature motor. They run. They call that. And that guy for Sammy say that the guy park where. Now so he crossed that motor when carry market women. All of them. He killed them. He passed. He go use and wait that motor when he park. He cross and pass. He go the front one. He climb that one. That's the other. He killed the old people when they inside.
Now we'll be looking at how a few Nigerians reacted to this Dangote truck incident again. Dr. Flaky writes, in a sane society, Dangote would either have gone bankrupt due to numerous litigation or he'll be in jail. But Nigeria is an insane country, so another writes, it's unclear which poses a greater threat to Nigeria, Dangote reckless driver or the bandits who murder citizens. The key distinction is that while Dangote truck drivers kill without mercy, they don't demand ransom, leaving victims no opportunity to negotiate. Another writes, no, nothing should be done, since some of you are daft people said that VDM guy was using Dangote to chase clothes. Our opinion though. Another writes, does they have Dangote truck? Does they have Dangote truck having accident in the north at all? English. Why is there higher incidence of Dangote killing people in the south? Why more in Edo State? Okay. Why are the northerners keeping quiet? Another writes, it seems Dangote trailers have blood targets they must spill. God abeg protect us. Another writes, it seems Dangote trailer. Okay, we've read that. Dangote truck have sent many Nigerians to their early graves, and the authority are looking away instead of taking actions. Another writes, this thing isn't normal again, Sha. It's now likely they have a target to meet or something. Another writes, this has become daily occurrence. The same accident happened in Four Corner and 9th Mile section of Enugu. Something has to be done. Okay. Another writes, Dangote truck are just modern day weapon of mass destruction on Nigerian roads, and the government's silence is complicit in this bloodshed. Maybe it's time to nationalize these death machines before they kill us all. Okay, another right. God punish all those people wey drag very dark man during that Fina Sisters saga. Another right. This one too painful. Every day na Dangote truck claim lives like say they no get brake system. Human beings no suppose dey die like chickens before government wake up. How many more tragedies before actions? Someone writes, what's even crazier is that these events are now happening simultaneously, consistently. It is more like a chain of reaction at this point in time. Another writes, it is sad to see. The price for carelessness shouldn't be innocent lives. Another writes, urgent measures need to be put in place to ensure all these truck drivers are well trained and regular drug tests. Any company that their truck causes an accident should be made to pay a hefty fine. They should also have live cameras so that drivers can be cautioned if they are being... That message was cut off. So let's continue. Another writes, the government silence is complicit, and it is clear they value corporate interests over human lives. If they were happening in the north, would there be such indifference? The double standards are glaring. Another writes, to think that Fina Sisters case brought a lamplight to this evil perpetrated by Dangote drivers. I ask, when will enough truly be enough? See you around.